Dive into the captivating world of Islam as we unravel 10 astounding facts about the Kaaba, the heart of Medina. From ancient foundations to celestial connections, the Kaaba stands as a testament to faith, unity, and the incredible history of Islam. Discover the fascinating journey of the Kaaba, a symbol of unity that has been the epicenter of Islamic faith since ancient times. Immerse yourself in the profound narrative of the Kaaba, an emblem of harmony and faith, standing stalwart through the annals of Islamic history. The Kaaba, a compelling beacon of Islamic heritage, has weathered centuries, standing as an unwavering symbol of unity and faith. Explore the Kaaba's intriguing mysteries as you delve into its chronicles, discovering the resilience and strength symbolized in its enduring structure. Trace the path of the Kaaba's enduring legacy as you uncover the silent tales etched into its ancient stones, narrating its unyielding faith and unity. Delve deeper into the Kaaba's history, exploring its unspoken stories of faith, unity, and resilience preserved in its enduring structure.